Morning. Check out my bed head. Looking good in it. I know, you're loving it. New fashion styles. It's been a few hours, I've had a bit of sleep. And so far, it looks like the water is a bit contained. How are you liking my halo? My halo. Oh. Let's see what's inside the cupboard. We're looking quite dry. Carpet don't feel that wet. He says hopefully we don't get a load of fucking water pouring out of here. I hope we don't open this and it all floods, because that'd be fucking shit. Right, going in. Oh, doesn't appear to be too bad. See that? That's all of what I poured out of the towels last night. Yeah, we're listen. Squidgy towels a little bit. I reached a bit of the door. Let's see if it's just contained in here, shall we? Doesn't seem to be as bad as it was. I mean, obviously you can look at this. Pouring out everywhere, that's going to take a while of clearing that up. It doesn't appear to be streaming out anymore, which is nice. Ew, 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 ew. Ugh. And I just want to go and see if there's any external damage outside. Let's go take a butcher's. You can tell there's does appear to be a water line on the mortar. Looks like some holes and shit, but just need to get councils up to have a look. It may have been that was excess rainwater coming from somewhere. It's not rained much in the past few hours, so that may be what stopped it, but oh my good God, it's cold out there.